Alright, here we have this Toshiba SA-7150, just kind of going over it, it's testing, showing off all the functions, checking the things, showing that it works. So we got a CD in, just gonna go ahead and play that, hooked up to aux. So we see the power levels are working, volume adjustment working, audio muting. Hear that? Tape monitors, that's not going to do anything because we don't have a tape in, but that one will turn it off. Again, these won't do anything. We're not on an FM channel right now. Going over here, showing these functions work. So we got bass. Turn up the volume a little bit so we can hear it. There we go, we can hear it now. Let's do a treble. Alright. Balance. Right now it's only on the left. Alright, again we're just playing from a single source here, showing we're on the left channel on A, so let's swap it. Alright, we're swapping this over to the right channel on A. So that works. Let me go ahead and... You can only do 2 channels at a time, so if you try to do 3, it'll go off. Let's test channel B next though. So I'll turn that on. I'm just gonna take these wires real quick and just move them down. Alright, there's B, the left channel. No, that was the right channel, and here's B, the left channel. Kind of videoing, doing it at the same time. Cool. And then finally, let's do channel C here. So I'll turn A off, turn C on. All right, same thing. Here's C, left channel. And here's C, the right channel. Cool. All right, so all channels work. As you can tell in that video, that little test. Turning these off again, let's go back to channel A. Let's plug our speaker back into A. We don't care if it's left or right. I do care a little bit, I guess, about the polarity here. Only a little bit, though. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and switch it over here to our tuner. We're gonna go ahead and go to FM mode here. Notice. I already got some power. Got it showing. This signal level is not, it's at 0, but there are signal levels. So let's scan it. I'm gonna turn auto scan on. Let's go to a channel. 101.9, we got 1 bar. I'm just using this dinky little antenna back here. So I'm also in like a metal cage. So that's gonna affect that signal quality quite a bit. But let's see what we can get here. Let's go ahead and scan again. All right, not bad. 2 bars. Sounds good. We're getting good channel. This air check thing works. I don't know what that is meant to do, but it makes that noise when you turn it on. So I think that's what it's meant to do. FM muting kind of works, I think. This is Dolby FM right now, so we can turn that on and off. It makes a little bit of a difference. Alright, and then if we go to AM, AM is where we run into problems. So I cannot get an AM signal. I think that's probably because the antenna, right, is broken in the back. I tried just putting my fingers here on this. I haven't actually tried to move the antenna, the actual antenna, so I guess we might as well give that a shot here. See if we get any luck. I'm gonna set this down for a second. Hold on. I'm not gonna edit this video, so if you just see a blank screen, that's because my phone is sat down and I don't really feel like editing this part out, so bear with me here as I connect this antenna to the AM. Sweet. There we go. Let's see if that makes a difference. I wasn't able to get a signal earlier, but let's see if that does anything. So we're gonna do the same thing, auto scan. See if we pick anything up. So you can see, it scans through all our channels. It's trying to find something. Maybe if we press this multipath button, that might help. Probably not, but. And we have our IF band, narrow, wide. I think wide is what we'd want it on. I don't know if it even affects the AM channels, but. Yeah, so it just scanned all the way up to like 1500. Now it's scanning back down. So it's trying to find it, but it's not finding anything. And we started in like 600 something, I think. So AM does not seem to be working. So if you want AM, you're gonna need to either fix it, which I think is gonna be an antenna problem. Again, probably, I'm thinking just replacing that antenna could very well be all it needs to like fix that. Let's stop it real quick. Oh yeah. Oh, I forget, it's gonna sound really bad now because I removed the antenna and switched over. But yeah, you're gonna need to fix the antenna if you want AM. Otherwise, you can just hook up an AM tuner, or more realistically, in all honesty, I mean, how many of us actually use AM anymore? Not very many people. So if you're one of those people that just doesn't really even use it, maybe it's not really that big of a deal if it's missing. Anyway, that shows that everything works on it except for the AM. All of our functions and knobs work. Yeah, so hopefully that's that helps you out in terms of like feeling a little more confident in what you're buying.